Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Pawan Vayer. I'm in Civil Engineering at Venkateshwara College. Now I'm here to explain on maintenance of building materials. Intro on building energy. When you integrate energy efficiency into your facilities operation and maintenance program, you can reduce energy use without significant capital investment. In additional, efficient O&M studies reduce the operating cost, reduce the risk of early equipment failure residual downtime, increasing facility net operation income, maintain comfort, leading in favor not on to keep expensive building equipment operating efficiency. Make sure to turn it up and turn it off and make it off. Turn it off and turn it on and check it out. It is building equipment and system should be approaching calibration of turn into efficiency possible schedule. Run only needed in a critical tick count perform drift. Tune it up. Assess your current O&M practicals, implement and identify tune-ups and documents your action, then track saving to finance future energy efficiency work. Assess regular O&M turn it up requires performing and throughout assets of the current operation and maintenance practicals. You systematically look at all aspects of current operation and maintenance program and may include spot testing equipments and control checking pressure, temperature, power flow, and lighting use over time and reviewing schedules and control strategies to determine whether the building is being operation optimum for the assessment to successful optimum and maintenance staff needed to view the process as a mention of engaging and supports their work and not a finding activities. Implement. Saving can also accurately recommendation for the assessments or implements once the improvement and selections selected and prioritized may of them may be implemented very quickly and expensive. For example, control strategy or schedule improvement where the greatest saving after occurring may not only take few hours to implement. Document. Documenting the sequence of operation energy efficient control strategies for the energy using system essential to understand building control. A control document is detailed for maintenance energy sufficient operation and sufficiently troubleshooting operation problem. Once accurate building documentation operator will keep it a building maintenance control. For example, sensor spec point of changes, sensor location changes and control strategy changes should be documented whenever they occur. If the changes remains the end in only the one or two staff members when they leave the organization, the information is lost. Laying on memory can lead it to mistake that cost time and energy. Track saving. The optimize and maintenance turned up activity may be first step to developing a sustainable finance mechanism for organization. Once an organization funds the initial O&M assessment and turn it up improvement, further energy sufficient work can be founded for the saving generated by low cost optimum maintenance improvement. The kind of sustainable finance mechanism required monitoring and tracking savings so that they can be dedicated to further improvement. Turn it off. Op- Optimize efficient operation with automatic controls and rescheduling. Operate equipment only when needed. The number one way to waste energy is to leave equipment and lights on when they could be off. The payback for improvement scheduling almost improving the a lot individual pieces and equipment may be when maintained and perform efficient unless unless the control strategies and equipment needed and periodically reviewed equipment may be operating more than the necessarily because my people often access lighting and HVAC control parameters and schedules may be changed to meet a special needed or unusually condition and never get changed back in their original setting unless preventing maintenance procedure for addressing operation issues as in place. Maximize the use of control system. I thought many facilities have sponsored computerized energy management system EMS in place. Most of do not take full advantage of systems capabilities. Staff often use the systems only to turn equipments on and off. The systems can be programmed to accomplish control strategies such as optimal starter stop, air and water side, economizing chilling, heating water rushes, night shutback and setup, night early monitoring, warm up the hot and cold decarbonization lighting swaps. The strategies can save energy a dollar behind or a decent time of day control. Never HVAC equipment may also have smart internal control. They can be programmed to accommodate energy efficient strategies such as chilled water rested. Those internal control should be programmed and adjusted to take full advantage of energy efficient strategies. Equipment may be occurred very efficiently, but if an which nobody home only kind of energy wasted. Optimum start and stop strategies, temperature setups, turn equipments on and off, also review the monitoring. Any other on off control such a programmable and mechanical time check, setting internal equipment control, lighting, photocell, sweeps and equipment sensor for proper operation. Schedule after hour walk schedule. A quick walk through the building after can be quick revealing for building where equipment should be half an hour management can be detected straight equipments operation by simply integrating building during unoccupied as a listening unexpected noise. Building staff should perform after all every 6 months to observe behavior of heating and cooling equipment, lighting, office equipment such as copier, printer and computer, alternating staff and usage of power, data logger and electrical panels to track whether equipments on or off and not be. Seasonal adjust control strategies just as certain maintenance tasks are performed to prepare equipment for heating or cooling season. Control strategies should also be revealed and adjust. A good control strategy for cooling section is not necessary for optimal for the swing season for heating season. Track performing overtime. Develop O&M procedure can main to tracking acting equipments performing against expected performance. Form may include the task description, checking methods and frequency for each piece of equipment, reporting formats, procedure for addressing non-comfortable issues, how to resolve performing recognizing its many cases in data grading procedure on equipment perform. Necessary with other PM work adding very little staff time for accomplishing the task. At first glance, the last may appears in increasing the workload. O&M staff, however, performing those tasks on regular proactive basis should actually save the time in the long run because preventive maintenance helps to reduce equipment malfunction and occupant component staff would spend more time on prevention operation generally spend less time fighting fire and troubleshooting for operation cost. By defining a preventive maintenance organization includes our operational activities that are critical to energy efficient building operation. You can help ensure the efficient performance will be continued over time. Thank you.